is observed as a Holy Week and it is also known as a Holy Friday, Great Friday and Black Friday.
However, despite being known as Good Friday, it is not a joyful day. It is recommended not to wish people Happy Good Friday on this day. This day is considered as a day of mourning and penance.
Crucifixion basically means the act of crucifying someone, and crucifying someone means to kill the person by tying him with nails to the cross and leaving him there to die.
Do you know that for Christians, Jesus Christ's crucifixion does not represent pain and suffering, rather because it was a part of a divine plan to save the humanity, so it represents salvation and his miraculous resurrection.
Come, let's know more about Good Friday.
Long ago, Jesus visited Jerusalem. He preached the people about the right and the wrong, about the good and the bad.
He became famous among the people as he did miracles and had all of them allowed. He gave food to needy people.
God has given us the life of a human being, so we must respect our bird. We must live together in peace and in harmony. We must stop fighting among each other. Helping each other is the best act we can do in our life, so we must do this act happily. Jesus, please save my child. She is sick and she is unable to breathe. Please help us, otherwise she will die. Don't worry, my child. Let me check. Have faith on God. He will surely save your daughter.
Some miracles happened and the life of the child was saved.
Jesus, you are the Son of God. Only you can save us. We will all follow the path told everybody was enjoying the dinner, Jesus announced,
This is my last supper with you all. Tomorrow morning I leave for a heavenly abode. I pray to God to give you wisdom and good health.
Don't leave us, Jesus. What will we do without you?
After hearing the words of Jesus, Judas thought,
If Jesus will leave tomorrow, then today only I have to inform the soldiers to catch Jesus. Otherwise, he will be out of my reach. Judas quietly left the supper and informed to the religious leaders about Jesus. Sir, you all can quickly arrest Jesus, or else he will leave for a journey tomorrow and we won't be able to catch him.
Thanks, Judas, for informing us. Now he will be under our clutches. We will make him our slave.
Soldiers, go and arrest Jesus. Bring him here to our knees.
soldiers followed the order of religious leaders and ran to arrest Jesus.
You are under arrest, Jesus, as you are manipulating the people. Come with us and you will be punished for your deeds.
Eventually, on Friday, Jesus was captivated and was taken to the hilltop by lashing throughout.
Jesus carried his own cross at his back for crucifixion. He was nailed to the cross and stood upright at the hilltop.
Judas, put the crown of nails on his head and leave him there for dying. Jesus was in immense pain. He was bleeding. Still, he prayed to the God to forgive Judas and all others. Father, forgive them. They are unaware of their deeds. They are your children, just like me. So take care of them too.
After seeing these last lines, Jesus left for heavenly abode as promised to his disciples.
This day is therefore known as Good Friday. People gather in churches and pray. The decoration in the church is removed and no bell is rung on this day.
After 2 days on Sunday, Jesus Christ took rivers